Have you ever looked up into the sky and felt like something ancient was watching you? There are some birds that are not of this world. They were born from lightning, others from sacred flame. Some are worshipped as gods, while others are feared as omens. At Magical Birds, we bring you the legends of these extraordinary creatures to life. From the thunderous rock, which can carry off a whole elephant, to the healing Simurgh, whose tears can cure the sick. Each story is a portal into the hidden power of the skies. Subscribe now and take flight into a world where the only limit is the clouds and the only rule is the legends.